y'all. I bet I surprised you. Didn't think I was coming on, did you? First off, I'd like to thank Lance of Pouring Together with Lance Travis for my introduction. And then I'd also like to thank Tiffany of Tiffany Remijn Art for getting us started out. So our theme this week is Way of the Water for the new Avatar movie that's going to be coming out this next holiday season. We're all looking forward to that and really excited. So in trying to figure out what I was going to do, I'm pretty landlocked here in Wyoming. So I watched the trailer 10 to 20 times, looking at the colors and the context. And there was a lot of chaos going on because there is war going on. So I thought, okay, I'll do a chaos Dutch port because I've never done one of those before. And then was on the phone with Tiffany, which is actually about the first person I saw do one of those chaos Dutch pours. I know they've been around, but I really haven't investigated them. And Tiffany uses water only. So in honor of Tiffany and the fact that she uses water only, because she doesn't have all the additives we do here in the States. And what she does have is really expensive. So that's why she uses just water. And it would be also my first time, besides doing the Chaos Dutch board, my first time also just using water. So I was kind of scared about that, and I kind of put it off for a few days. But I'm going to get to it. I'm going to put my hair up, and I'm going to put some paint on the canvas, and we're going to see what happens from there. And then you're going to go on to Donna at It's Art by Donna M, followed by Nate of Nate.est Art. What a great night. Love y'all. See you in a second.
least you'll know it's me and from nobody else. Grab your seat at the fantasy parade. What I see is all inside my head. I come to you and hopefully I can contain myself. Pulsing blood that flows through me and wants nobody else. See through me and all of my charades. I am not any less afraid. Am I hanging on too tight? Baby, you're my light. Am I hanging on too tight? Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. Am I hanging on too tight? Baby, you're my light. Am I hanging on too tight? Baby, you're my light.
Okay, guys, I'm back, and I'm going to bring you in for this close-up, and then later I'll bring you back for the dry results. I just think this is so, so yummy, and I am so in love. I just can't believe it. And if you haven't tried this technique, and if you haven't tried water only, I suggest that you do. And it really worked out with that extreme sheen of that gold. And I was really kind of scared to add this green to it, but I wanted some green. So I did, but I was really worried I'd get mud, but it looks beautiful. I love that spot right there. Goodness gracious. Ah! And I used a little bit too much paint for my first time because I really wanted a lot more negative space. So I don't have that much, but it's there. It's there. And I'll bring you guys back for the dry results here in probably a second. Hold on.
We are not supposed to be here. I didn't realize until now. Guess one more reminder, I'm a hangman.
Wow, so with the water only, the colors are so vibrant still with it being dry. Now this is landscape, and I really like the portrait better, but landscape shows you my colors better of the full shot. I love it. I don't know if anybody's going to be able to get this from me because I am so in love. Anyways, and then here is the portrait part coming right up, right there. Isn't she beautiful? Very Monet. Anyways, so I'm going to send you on to my darling Donna at It's Art by Donna M, followed by my sweet little jungle boy, Nate of Nate Bright Art. And I know that they're going to do something fantastic, and I know you guys enjoyed Lance and Tiffany, and I hope you enjoyed mine. Please remember to leave a thumbs up and a comment and subscribe if you're not. I really appreciate it. Until later, I wish you a bunch of peace, love, light, and lots of laughter. Love y'all. Bye-bye.